OneDrive Error 0x8004de40. Here's the fix, 90 seconds. OneDrive has a cloud with a line through it. You hover it and it says sign in, but signing in does nothing or it just spins. This is it. I fixed this on hundreds of machines. It's almost always the same thing. Your computer lost trust with Microsoft servers. 4 commands bring it back. Hit start, type CMD, right click, run as administrator. You'll get a black window. Type this exactly. Net sh winsock reset. Hit enter. Net sh int ip reset. Hit enter. ipconfig /flush DNS. Enter. You'll see line scroll. That's normal. Don't close it yet. Now, before you restart, right click your clock, bottom right. Click adjust date and time. Hit sync now. If your clock was even 5 minutes off, that's what broke it. Microsoft servers reject the connection silently. Now restart. Look at your system tray, bottom right. If the OneDrive cloud is white with no X, no line, you're done. Click it. If your files show up, you just fixed it yourself. If the cloud is still crossed out, go to OneDrive settings, account tab, unlink this PC, and sign back in. Comment below if you're still stuck. Subscribe. Next time someone Googles this, they'll find this instead of a 10-minute video.